Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the essentials of packing for a successful trip. Traveling is a thrilling adventure, but it can also come with its fair share of challenges. As author Pico Iyer once said, travel is not just about seeing new places, but also about seeing them with new eyes. Let's make sure you're prepared to enjoy every moment. Let's kick things off with organization. I once embarked on a trip to Europe, buzzing with excitement. But in my haste, I forgot to pack my passport. Imagine my panic as I scrambled to get an emergency passport. Stressful doesn't even cover it. From that day on, I've always made a meticulous packing list before heading out. Being organized saves time and reduces stress. Think about it. When you know where everything is, you can focus on the joy of your journey, rather than the chaos of searching for your belongings. Here are some essential travel items you shouldn't miss. First, a travel wallet. It's a lifesaver for keeping your passport, tickets, and other important documents together and easy to access. Next, a well-planned set of clothes. Consider the weather and activities planned. Packing versatile pieces can save space. For instance, I always pack a lightweight scarf that can double as a blanket or a beach cover-up. Now let's talk tech. I learned the hard way about the necessity of a portable charger. While trying to navigate a bustling city in Thailand, my phone died. I felt completely lost. A portable charger is now a non-negotiable item in my travel kit. Other tech gadgets include noise-canceling headphones, perfect for drowning out the airplane hum or enjoying some peace in a busy cafe. And don't forget a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. It's great for staying connected, especially if you're in a place where data roaming is costly. Personal care items are crucial for a smooth trip. I always pack a small set of toiletries. It's convenient to have travel-sized essentials like a toothbrush and face wash handy, especially on long journeys. During a trip to India, I faced an unexpected bout of food poisoning. I was so grateful to have my prescription medication with me. It made my recovery so much easier. Hygiene items are more important than ever. Don't forget face masks and hand sanitizer. These simple items can make a significant difference in keeping you and others safe. Long travel hours can be exhausting, so comfort items are key. I took a 12-hour flight to Australia once, and my neck pillow was a lifesaver. It allowed me to catch some much-needed rest, and I arrived feeling refreshed instead of drained. Other comfort items include a travel blanket, perfect for chilly flights or bus rides, and an eye mask and earplugs to help block out distractions, making it easier to relax and sleep. Here are some additional tips. Create a packing list. Write down everything you need before packing. It's a simple way to avoid forgetting essentials. Research destination requirements. Always check visa regulations, currency exchange rates, and local customs. For example, some countries have specific dress codes or cultural norms that you'll want to respect. Travel insurance. Protect yourself from unexpected events. It's peace of mind that's worth the investment. Many renowned travel influencers emphasize the importance of being well prepared. Rick Steves, for example, often shares his packing tips, highlighting how a little foresight can transform your trip from stressful to seamless. Nomadic Matt also encourages travelers to plan ahead to enjoy their adventures to the fullest. We've all faced travel challenges, whether it's lost luggage or unexpected weather. Proper preparation can mitigate these issues. Having a packing strategy and a flexible mindset can turn potential disasters into memorable stories. So as you plan your next adventure, remember that a little organization goes a long way. With the right packing strategies and essential items, you can embark on a journey that's not just successful, but truly enjoyable. Happy travels!